Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, November 21st. Well, the big story across the nation is an Arctic blast that is now working its way through the northern plains. Bitter cold air for this time of the year has already moved in the Denver, Colorado region. Last hour they were about 15 degrees with steady snow falling. Could get an additional 1 to 3 inches of snow today. This Arctic blast will reach the East Coast over the weekend. Sunday will just be a downright brutal day along the I-95 corridor. Temperatures could actually struggle to reach 32 degrees in places like Philadelphia and Baltimore on Sunday, which is way below normal for this time of the year. More than 20 degrees below normal for this time of the year. And the winds will be very strong on Sunday, so the wind chill values will be even lower. There can be a snow shower or two associated with that Arctic blast along the I-95 corridor on Sunday. The bitter cold conditions continue into Monday, and then we'll turn our attention to a storm that should pull out of the Gulf of Mexico region towards the mid-Atlantic coast by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Let's take a look at the current surface map. High pressure continues to remain along the East Coast. Temperatures will modify somewhat today, although it'll stay below normal for this time of the year. The real action right now is this Arctic blast moving into the northern plains, and again, it's already moved into the southern Rockies. Denver, Colorado is experiencing 15 degrees right now with snow. Temperatures will go nowhere there today, drop to near 10 degrees tonight, perhaps into the single digits overnight with additional snowfall. Even out in California, there's a strong upper level low. We'll see that in a moment. And there could be some showers and perhaps even thunderstorms in Southern California with cooler than normal conditions, even out in the southwestern part of the country. This Arctic blast works its way east over the next 48 hours, reaching the mid-Atlantic region this weekend. Well, here's the current upper level map, 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet or so in the atmosphere. A couple of features. First of all, kind of high pressure ridging still along the East Coast. Not a bad day today. Temperatures will modify slightly. Here's a strong upper level shortwave associated with that Arctic blast that's pouring in from the southwestern part of Canada, and yet another upper level trough here, a cold upper level low, causing some showers and perhaps thunderstorms even as far south as Southern California today. This Arctic blast continues to move from the northwest to the southeast, reaching the East Coast over the upcoming weekend. Well, here's the latest infrared satellite imagery loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Some clouds and showers already have advanced all the way into the Ohio Valley. Can be a shower towards morning along the I-95 corridor. Certainly a couple of showers are possible during the day on Friday at just about any time. It'll be rather mild on Friday. More showers likely on Friday night. And then by Saturday, that cold front works its way through early in the day. Clearing skies and increasing winds will be quite noticeable Saturday afternoon, but the real cold air pours in Saturday night, and by Sunday morning we'll be in the deep freeze here in the northeastern part of the country. Out in the interior west, snow already is falling in Denver, Colorado. Temperatures have plunged overnight there, down to about 15 degrees at the current hour, and a strong upper level low causing some showers and thunderstorms out here, noticeable by these high clouds here streaming across Southern California. Here's a look at the nationwide radar from the University of Wisconsin website. Again, some showers have moved into the Ohio Valley. We cannot rule out a shower along the I-95 corridor in D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City late tonight towards the morning hours. Certainly a couple of showers can fall at just about any time during the day on Friday and Friday evening. Snow out here in the interior west. Again, snowing right now in the Denver, Colorado region. They could have 1 to 3 inches of additional snowfall accumulations during the day today into early part of tonight. And again, some showers and thunderstorms possible out here in Southern California associated with that strong, cold, upper-level low-pressure system. Well, let's take a look at some computer model forecast maps. This is from last night's GFS Global Forecast System, the 00Z run for tomorrow morning, Friday morning, and then we'll look at Saturday morning and Sunday morning. By tomorrow morning, some light precipitation in the form of rain being depicted here by the GFS model. And again, there can be a shower towards morning along the I-95 corridor, and certainly at any time tomorrow there can be a shower or two. Don't expect a heavy rain event here. More showers Friday night as that colder air starts to pour into the Great Lakes region, working its way towards the East Coast. Now, by Saturday morning, that initial Arctic front actually moves through early in the day on Saturday. Can be some lingering clouds and maybe a shower or two early in the day on Saturday here along the I-95 corridor. But then it should turn partly sunny with increasing winds. And really there's a secondary blast of colder air that moves in Saturday night, perhaps with a rain or a snow shower. And the real cold air will be felt on Sunday. In fact, let's jump ahead to the Sunday morning forecast map. Well, here it is Sunday morning, just screaming northwest winds here. Bitter cold air for this time of the year. Some 20 to 25 degrees below normal on Sunday. Temperatures will struggle to reach 32 degrees in many mid-Atlantic locations along the I-95 corridor in Philadelphia, for example. The normal high right now in Philly at the airport is about 55 degrees. Again, we will be 20 to 25 degrees below normal, and that does not take into account the wind chill values. With this kind of a screaming wind out of the northwest, wind chill values will be even lower, considerably lower, and you cannot rule out a snow shower or two. It stays very cold on Monday, and then attention will turn to the Gulf of Mexico. By Tuesday, a storm will be gathering strength here in the Gulf of Mexico. Looks like it'll head northeast towards the mid-Atlantic coastline, and it'll be a close call between rain and snow in the I-95 corridor in the Tuesday to Wednesday time frame. Still too early to call that particular scenario. What is definite is the bitter cold Arctic blast for Sunday that lingers into Monday in the Mid-Atlantic region. That's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.